Hey everyone, today we are solving another LeetCode problem, which is the easiest problem I guess in the entire LeetCode website. So the problem statement is write a function arguments length that returns the count of the arguments passed through it. We have to do is to return the number of arguments that are passed to a function. For example, if we consider an example, a function is receiving a list of numbers. So basically that is we will consider this as one argument, so we will return the length of the argument as 1. Next, if a function is receiving 3 arguments, 3 values you can say, so our concern is only with receiving the arguments. We do not care about which type of argument we are receiving. So we are receiving 3 arguments, we will return 3. Let's jump into the code and try to write some code to solve this problem. We have a function which named as argument length, and it is receiving a function. You can see that here we have a parameter or a argument that basically stores the length of the arguments that are passed to a function. It is basically a list that stores the argument type or the number of the arguments we are passing to a function. So we will use a method of length that is provided by the argument list to return the length of the number of arguments we are receiving. So let's just return the argument start length. I guess that's it. So let's try to run the code. Okay, our case 1 is accepted, case 2 is also accepted. So there you have it. Let's submit the code. It was a bit short video, but it's important to learn something new. I hope you have learned something new. See you in the next video.